I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Instagram app is updated and your account is ready. This avoids missing new customization tools. Open a note with your AI theme concept so you can copy prompts fast. Once done, gather 10 to 20 reference images or a color palette. These guide the generator and keep visuals consistent. Make sure to enable any experimental or creator features in settings if available, because those options unlock advanced AI styling and theme controls. You now create the assets that define the AI theme. Use consistent prompts for color, texture, and subject to produce a cohesive set. Once you have outputs, export them at Instagram sizes like 1080 x 1080 for posts and 1080 x 1920 for stories so they display sharply. Then build simple templates, one for feed, one for stories, one for highlights, so you can batch produce content quickly. After that, organize files in labeled folders so you can reuse and tweak prompts. You finish by applying assets. Update your profile photo, highlight covers, and post a grid row to see cohesion, then set branded accent colors where possible. Use drafts or a scheduler to preview the feed flow and spacing so posts align visually. If things look off, check resolution and color profile, adjust images, or tweak your brand palette accordingly. One key troubleshooting tip: if AI outputs vary, standardize prompts and rerun generation with fixed seed or explicit color directives to regain consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.